Welcome back. Kembali lagi di series aku 7 Hari Berkain, a series in which I will document myself doing my daily life activities for 7 consecutive days, tapi memakai kain. So today is day 4, I think. We will be having a few special, not so special guests, and we're gonna be doing something that my brother and I have started to do a few weeks back. It's like a new routine in our life. We go jogging after school, which is like during the evening till night, yes. What? Sini. What do you want?
Don't include me in the video ya.
Yeah, so kalian pasti bingung, Ra, gimana caranya lo mau gabungin kain sama olahraga? Gue juga gak tahu. Tapi I did it. So if you guys are wondering how I did this, go ahead and check out my decision-making process for my outfit today. Apa? Cepetan, ganti baju, ah? How am I gonna incorporate kain and running? Kain box. Okay, obviously we're not using this. This is so huge and thick. Don't even get me started on how thick this one is. Too long. Too slippery. Wait, maybe I can use like a little like a scarf. Bisa gue pakein atasan gitu. Wait, hold on. This is my weapon of choice today. This is a modern, I want to say scarf atau selendang because it's very pendek banget nih, lihat. Cuma segitu. This is from a local brand called Artine. They're based in Jogja. Make a tube top out of this. You can do like a triangle tube. Oh, I have an idea. Wait, hold on. The art of layering. Stretch. I think this is pretty good.
Hi! Hello! Go solo, shy cat. I like this. Like what? This? Yeah. So do you think oh look, my boyfriend's right there. So do you think I succeeded in incorporating kain and exercising?
Yeah, you did. I mean, when you get sweaty, you can just take it off and start wiping.
Okay. Hi.
Hello.
Okay, so now you're seeing him in the flesh, in the bone, not through Zoom call. Okay, so what are your impressions of this whole thing, of this event that is happening?
It's great.
I'm not here for the content only.
Yeah, you are. That was a really good kick. I'm hungry. Like I already ate. Yeah, I'm fine. Like I had a good.
Use your core strength.
I'm using this.
Yeah. No, you have to use your core strength. Do you have anything to say to your fans on TikTok and YouTube?
To the whopping 5 people.
Yeah.
Hi guys.
Where are we going now?
Tallest mountain.
No, we're gonna go to Salad Stop. We're gonna have a nice kale salad with some
Heck yeah.
pine.
Omega-3s.
And what's that juice that white people have?
Kale juice.
Kale juice.
Round and round.
My phone,
Don't kill me now. Oh my god, stop attacking me,
My phone,
please.
Rice. Satu. size or medium? Medium. Sure? Alright, medium.
So what are your thoughts about eating McDonald's right after a workout?
It's hypocritical to do that, honestly.
I think it's recommended.
No, it's not. Yeah, I don't recommend it. I'm not getting anything. I'm just getting water. All you people are here.
You are not getting water, you're getting chicken fingers. How about you, sir? What are your thoughts about getting McDonald's right after a workout?
It's exactly what I need. Much like how Charlie Sheen needs Coke.
You know what? It's fine. I'm with my friends. If I want to eat McDonald's with my friends, I eat McDonald's with my friends.
Okay, theater kid. It's one theater kid against two film kids.
It's always been like that, honestly. I've always been the only theater kid in the room.
Dante doesn't get the joke. Tell him.
I was the girl in the music video of the song.
You?
Mau apa? You're cute. I love you. Emang segitu kalau ramen. Lu kira Indomie cuma 3.000?
Okay guys, aku cuma pengen ngingetin lagi that I'm having a giveaway for this 7 Hari Berkain series. I'll be giving one lucky winner 2 pieces of kain from my collection.
So I am looking at the fact that we already have an overwhelming amount of participants. There are so many of you joining my giveaway and I am so grateful for that. I am so happy that you guys are moved and inspired to try out Kain Indonesia, which is why, after long consideration, I have decided to split the prizes in half, which means that not only one person gets to win, but 2 people gets to win. So from now on, if you want to join the giveaway, you also have to comment down which kain you would like to win, the pale green one or the blue line art one. And there will be 2 winners, and each winner gets 1 kain.
So the instructions are already in the description box down below, but it's very simple. All you have to do is please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Second thing is you just need to comment what is your favorite thing out of this whole 7 Hari Berkain series. It can be what your favorite thing is in general from this series or what your favorite thing from each video is. And then last one, this is a bonus entry if you want. You can go to my Instagram and click on this post and comment why you should win this giveaway and tag 3 friends. So that's a bonus entry if you want to do it. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for tuning in for today's video. Don't forget to stay tuned. Bye!